guys, and welcome back to Flow Dance London Studios. My name is Elena, and together with Marius, we're presenting you the Samba tutorial on promenade to counter promenade runs, natural pivots, and reverse shadow rolls. Watch till the end, where we'll leave some useful tips for connection and leading and following. Let's get started! Before we begin, you might find it useful to practice the Samba legwork from the video we made for you. Here is the link. Otherwise, here's the breakdown of these steps. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The most important tip for promenade to counter promenade runs is to understand who is moving more and who is moving less. Let's see this slowly. So Marius is stepping forward, I'm stepping diagonally back, side together, and then forward. He ended up in front of me. Next, I'm moving forward, he's stepping diagonally back, side, and forward. I end up in front of him. Very important tip for the frame is that on step 1, we establish connection straight away. So we go 1, then we open up gradually 2, and 3 into a nice line. Next, again on 1 connection, 2 opening up, 3 shape. And now the same to music. And 7 and 8, 1 and 2. And quick, slow, 1, 2, 3. And quick, slow, 1, 2, 3. The most important tip for natural pivots is the preparation. So here we are. We have 5 and 6, and now on end, Marius needs to turn already on his right foot before he steps back, so that we can continue back. Quick, slow. Next, Marius is going to place me on my left foot with his side lead. I'm doing a spiraling action, then Marius is moving forward more than me. And now, the same to music. And 7 and 8 and slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 7, 8 and slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, 5, a 6, 7, a 8, and 7 and 8 and slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Close your feet together, ankles and knees together, and now start rotating your knees anti-clockwise. So side, back, side, forward. Then allow this action to follow through into your hips. So when your knees straighten, your hips are back. When your knees bend, your hips are forward. And continue practicing this action. So very important to make sure you begin with your knees and then follow through to your hips. Allow this action to resonate in your upper body. So we begin one more time with your knees and hips and a little more circling in the top of the body. So when your hips are to the side, your upper body is to the opposite side. Continue. Hips to the side, upper body to the opposite side. And roll. To begin with, it is important to stand offside from each other, so not exactly in front of each other, but on the leader's right side. Tip number 1, on the forward progression, the leader is making a bigger side step, and on the backward progression, the follower is making a bigger side step to get round the partner. Let's demonstrate this. And 7, 8. Slow, bigger step for Marius. Slow, bigger step for me. Tip number 2. Left arm for the followers is nice and soft, but it serves as connection for the leaders. And the right arm is a decoration arm, drawing continuous circles as you dance. We're going to demonstrate again, focusing on the arms. 8 and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Tip number 3 is the accent on the second quick, projecting into the shape. Here we go. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now the same to music. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. We really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!